What's up, guys? It's Silly Boys 21 here to tell you about these new pictures that I found. Now, if you're wondering why do I sound like this right now, is because I am recently sick somehow. So, yay! Like, I have to. Yeah, that sounds weird, but I have to do that because if not, wait, no, that's way too gross to reveal. What I was about to say. But anyways, you can guess by the hold up. Ah! I did that too hard. What? Hold on. Okay, I'm feeling better. I'm feeling a little better. I'm less congested right now because of that. But if you're wondering why I'm filming this and sick, this video meant to come out a lot earlier today than I expected, but it may come out during the night or whatever. So, this is one of the pictures that I was talking about. It was also, for the background of the thumbnail, in case you were wondering. So, yeah, that's what that picture looks like unblurred. Just imagine Sonic still giving that thumbs up. Yeah. If you say this, isn't good, then you're, crazy. Because I'm being really honest and serious right now. I keep saying that like I supposed to be. Are you being serious right now? But I'm being, serious, but, So anyways, if you say this is fake, you can't say that it's fake, because you may, compared to the movie, you can tell it's a lot different, because it looks like somebody painted it, instead of just 3D modeled it. Now, you can also notice that Shadow's reflection is on the back for him, and so, yeah, that's, one of the pictures. I tried to get a YouTuber that I knew to film it, but I don't know his, address, or, not address, I don't know his, thing to send. I forgot how you send those YouTubers those pictures. I sent him one before, but, it didn't go through. But anyways, it's time for me to stop yapping and get to the second picture. Yeah, I really like this one. I like how they got the motorcycle just right. I'm being serious right now. It's just the way Shadow looks compared to Sonic. Sonic just looks like he's about to slap the mess out of somebody. He's about to slam dunk someone. I'm being serious. How many times have I said Somebody comment down if you're seeing this. I need y'all to comment how many times I said So anyways, what I was saying, I wasn't faking, that was real. So anyways. I'm tripping. So basically, that's all I wanted to share with you. You may see this on another YouTube channel if he, responds. So, anyways, that's all I wanted to tell you. And like and subscribe if you like Sonic!